keep me a try to keep you out of prison, Tony. And out of one of them agony box there where they don't have a funeral parlor too. You have a daughter. And you still live your life like say you're there war.
You know how hard it was for me get back in a society after my serve time. I couldn't get nothing legitimate for do. All of the man them where me did a work for, them never come to my rescue. It did hard. Not even a letter of recommendation I could have get.
But Martin did still take in them organization.
Yeah, but forgive me orders again. And how me so sure say he wouldn't send me back to prison.
So that's why you set him up and make Savage get rid of him.
And Mullins is next.
Leave him out of this, Tony.
Good. When my name are upon this?
Yeah, but your name upon it for renovation.
Exactly. Me have a renovation license. But hold on now.
Yeah, but that is a license for build. You don't see the other one?
But none of them documents are not legit. My name is supposed to be upon none of them something here. So them have me as the prime person.
That's why I tell you, say, your friend have some kind of political links. That's the only way him could get that done.
Yeah, but who? Who are the political link we have? Me ask you to check that out. You never get that information there.
Well, me get a name. The name is Everton Daly. But nobody never see them a link.
So, how them sure is that the link that?
Well, a document it pass some of the decks. And them see Xpressionz and name on it.
Because me will need you to dig a little deeper to get full confirmation. Right?
Yeah, man.
Because is it Daily? Everton Daily?
Him see, man.
No! That boy there was a junior minister when meeting in politics.
Mm-hmm.
I think of him, they were applying to sit down in the Marcus seat. Right, yeah.
Well, him have a bigger position than you.
You never see smoke without fire. That boy is corrupt. So if anything like that, if them have a link, it would be him.
Well, when we can tell you still the constituency not really like him. So he might be in trouble for the next election.
Yeah. I should leave the whole politics thing behind, you know. I can't bother with that. But me I hear him name I call upon a whole heap of things. Misappropriation of funds, you know, all kind of illegal things are going under film watch.
Maybe this is your first lead. You check on it first then.
If you touch him, you're gonna have every international agent to come after you. Me will deal with Mullins.
Who you there? Sound like you develop a soft spot for him.
The truth is, I find him intriguing. But getting close to him would be so ideal because him could have revealed him sleeper agents and that would be a plus for us.
Anything you say?
Good. So, new order of business. You getting the minister for release the container so we can send it off right away.
So you're gonna make them give me back my weapons after them get for them?
No. You're going to let them keep those for the inconvenience.
What?
It's not a request, Tony.
Alright, cuz. You win. You're the strategist.
Yes, I am. So tell me, what is the deal between you and this contractor, brother? Because you seem to be busy making enemies.
Don't worry about that. I have him under control.